exam the position Louba Khaktana Tung Punsi Semgadaba Natte pakpa Punsi ama oige hairabadi hiram khudingmakta eshagi value khangna khong thang-gadabani haina Tourism ge Director Pooja Elangbam na phongdorakli wafamase handak jahi ke Toursim na Louba class 12 ke exam da sangakfam da leiba enlightened knowledge EK Higher Secondary School ge position lawrakraba amade subject topper oirakraba mahiroi sing taramna okpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibane 12 case ki warol piraduna Pooja Elangbam na hai mahiroi singna exam da mark wangna phangduna position yaurokpa ngamdaba khaktagi wakhal khalloidabane mark wangna phangba su mathau tai adumakpu tungi punsida mai pakpa mioi ama oige khalabade hiram khudingmakta ishana isagi values khangna khong thang-gadabani mahiroi singna lairik khak natana atupa hiram singdasu hainabi thang-gadabani extracurricular activities singda saruk yaba sina personality develop tawbada achubu mateng oigani class 12 ki matungda de lairik tambagi mawong mataw ase aduki matik khenaba leiragani matang asidade parents natraka khangna chanaba singna tungi punsi ki tamak suggestion kaya ama pirakani adubu iroi loibadade isage apamba amasung hainabi karino haibasi khangna khong thangjinba duna khwaidagi achumba firep oigani haina Pooja Elangbam na makha takhi
so important to have compassion, kindness, awareness of your community, awareness of your society. See, so side by side, I want to remind all of you because it's not just enough to pass exams, it's not enough to score very high. In the long run, you have to figure out the nangi values. So what are the values you hold? Is it compassion? Is it kindness? Is it helping out people who are less fortunate than you? I think sumba values in a hen maru oire bako adugi like so important. You have to give your best and you have to put in the effort. It's very important.
President ki warol piraduna EK Higher Secondary School ke Secretary P Sarat Chandra na hai mahiroi amada thaksi khasi akhang kanba amade concentration ningthina tawba ngambage quality sing ase shemgadabani quality ahum ase matik chana leiba mahiroi sing lemna khak mangloi horakliba mirol da afaba education pibagi mathakta quality su leihanaba hotnagadabani makhoina achangba mi amamam oiraknaba hotnarakpa asina khunai ase manglom da pukhatnabagi yumfam thonbaga pangkhak oigadoribane mathang chahida pangthokadaba Toursim na Louba class 12 ki exam da school ase ki mahiroi sing mikok thongba ngamnaba school gi maikai dagi angamba thakta hotnagani mama mapa oiba sing nasu macha sing gi damak chokthaba naidana senaba ki tangai fadaba lei mahiroi ama fahanba haibase school khaktana ngamba natte masida mama mapa oiba sing ki achoba thodang lei haina Sarat Chandra na makha takhi taramna okpagi thoramatuda chahi asige Toursim na Louba class 12 ki exam da position louba ngamlakraba amade subject topper oiraklaba mahiroi singda selgi manapi duna pukning thokotki
EK Higher Secondary ki parents amadi invitees singda request tawjari hauji aikoi Manipur yamna awaba situation amade leire. Now Manipur is in chaotic, very burning situation in our motherland Manipur. Ngasi Manipur je khuyam wa. Aduni kaidoba tai. Haugalai baisa jing issue jing younger generation, new generation je aikoi na moi je mai machine tamun batai good education people tai. Makoi gi larik tambang ngamnam gi damak tai khoi thabak work hard. I quit tabak yam kan subatai.